Welcome to our channel Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Sienna, a stylish, efficient, and family-friendly minivan. From its sleek exterior to advanced safety features, let's explore what makes this vehicle a top choice. Exterior. The 2025 Toyota Sienna features a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines for a modern look. Hands-free sliding doors and a power liftgate add convenience, while available 20-inch wheels enhance its sporty appeal. Performance. Powered by a fuel-efficient hybrid system, the Sienna delivers impressive mileage without compromising power. Its all-wheel drive option ensures stability in all road conditions, making it perfect for family adventures. Interior. Inside, the Sienna offers a spacious cabin with premium materials, available leather seats, and a panoramic sunroof. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected, while rear seat entertainment keeps passengers engaged. Safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense suite comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every drive. Pricing. The 2025 Toyota Sienna starts at approximately $38,000, with higher trims and added features increasing the price. Its hybrid efficiency and premium features make it a great investment. Outro. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota Sienna. What do you think of this minivan? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.